Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to delete your Quora account. Whether you found a new platform or simply want to take a break from Quora, stick around, and I'll guide you through the process, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into the Quora account, which one you want to delete. You can't delete your account without being signed in. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from the list. In the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll manage your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Delete Account section. Quora has made it a bit tricky to find, but it's here. Now, click on Delete Account. Quora will ask you to confirm your password to ensure it's really you. Now, here is a problem. If you have monetized one of your space, then you can't delete your Quora account until you cancel your monetization. Click on your space. Then scroll down and click on Add Revenue Sharing Program. Click on Delete at Revenue. Now click on Yes Disable. Close this tab. Reload your Quora tab and repeat all those processes again. Now, you get a notification: account deletion request successfully submitted. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to delete your Quora account. Remember, this is a permanent decision, so make sure you've thought it through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.